If you are looking for remote control toys, here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like. Just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1, RC Cars 1/18 scale, 4WD high-speed vehicle 15.5 miles per hour plus 2.4 GHz radio remote control, off-road racing monster trucks, by GizmoVine. Number 2, GizmoVine Mud Monster Pickup, remote control RC truck. RC car 1/16 scale rechargeable with mud splatter paint job, another great product by GizmoVine. Number 3. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below and join our great new Black Friday alert service. Number 4, all-weather 4WD, oversized anti-skid tires, capable of tackling various terrains and obstacles with ease. Number 5, also by GizmoVine. For more info click this link below.